1, 2, 1, 2. Are we live, chat? Whoa! I think we are live. Good morning, everyone. What's up? How is everybody today? Yes, we are live. Okay, sound is okay, I guess. We are live on both Twitch and YouTube. Nice. So good morning, Logic Slayer. Happy Friday, dude. Vindicify, what's up? Yo pimps. Pimps? What? Okay. Yes, we are doing great. What's up? Guy on Moose, good morning. DK Out, what's up? Tellurian. Good morning. Happy Friday, everyone. And we got so many news to go through today. Okay, so today, what are we going to do? Today, we're going to check the news, like the weekly news. We are going to check a game called Windrose. It's like a Valheim, but you are a pirate. So I'm already like looking toward it, about the game, and yeah, we will see. We'll have the full experience in this one. But yeah, like the news are pretty insane. So this morning, when I wake up, I checked and I was like, whoa, the rebase of the Heap patch for Proton has been like finally pushed. So when I say finally, it's not like finally like, oh, finally we got it. It's more like the final version as being pushed. So obviously, like, you need improvement, etc., etc. But now we have a full rebase, and we can test it. So we're gonna do that today too. We're gonna do that today. We're gonna do it with Windrose. It's based, Windrose, from the folks who brought you Palworld. I played a few hours and it's pretty fun. Nice. So yeah, that's gonna be awesome. And the thing why I'm so hype is that obviously before I started the stream I had to try it. So I tried the Proton Heap stuff. And before I could not launch Windrose. I just could not launch it on my machine. I tried different version of Proton, I tried different stuff, it just wouldn't launch. And with the patch, guess what? It works now. Salut Schreider. What's up to the goat of the Linux gaming? You like my accent, I can tell. I can tell you like my accent, dude. So anyways, I think today it's gonna be really interesting. Really interesting. So let's jump into it right away because I'm super hyped. I am hyped right now. I was a little bit low. I need to tell you, like I was like, you know, maybe not the best of the best in terms of news for Linux the last week. But now we have this. I'm like, whoa, oh, are we back at it, dude? Are we back at it? Hey, salut Frank Todo. First time I caught you live. Welcome to the stream, dude. Hope you're gonna enjoy it. You Felix, my man. Happy Friday. Okay, so what's new today? What's new this week? Proton 11 beta arrives to bring enhanced gaming compatibility to Linux and SteamOS. Okay, so this is big, dude. This is huge. So, it's Proton rebased on Wine 11. Okay. And I don't know if you're going to be talking about it in the news, but the big news related to that is that now they have a ARM 64 support. Yeah, obviously he's going to mention it. So you could launch Steam on your on your Nintendo Switch. Uh-huh. Hey, Simply Down, what's up? So I think this is huge because they just opened the Pandora box, chat. Because with this layer, with the ARM64 build, now every type of machine can run Steam and run game. Every type of machine. The one you are never thinking like it would happen, well, it's happening, dude. Raspberry Pi, hello! Like, think about it. It's actually insane. So Valve just put up a beta for Proton 11, the next major release of their compatibility layer to run Windows game on Linux/SteamOS. This brings with it quite a lot of enhancements. With it being based on Wayland 11, it also brings its support for the new anti-sync, which in some cases can improve game performance, but don't expect huge gain here. Ah, that's right. So this is the right text from Liam? I don't know. Yeah, that's the right text there. Compatibility. So I guess they got rid of F-Sync and now they go everything through anti-sync, which is fine. They also appear to have released the ARM64 build of Proton 2 with FEX. Okay, so FEX is a translation layer for ARM64, which is now available to install in your Steam library, which is no doubt works towards the Steam frame, but it should work on any ARM64 machine. So I was thinking, what about MacBook? What about the Apple stack? So this, I'm not a professional into, like understanding the hardware from Apple, but I think it's a really good step forward for it to work on it. Right? Think about it this way. I don't think it's gonna be like ready day one. I think there is some hardware like limitation right now, but this is a huge step forward, right? Vulkan is not supported on macOS, but could they run that through FX? So let me check that. Let me check that. Wait. Wait. FX allow you to run x86 application similar to KMuser and Box64. It offers broad compatibility with both 32 and 64-bit binary, and it can be used alongside Wine Proton to play Windows game. It supports forward API call to a system library like OpenGN and Vulkan. Okay. Vulkan is supported on Apple device through Vulkan VK, a translation library that map Vulkan API call to Apple native Metal API. So I don't see why it wouldn't work. But maybe I'm wrong, okay? Like again, I stated it, I'm not a professional regarding that. I don't have a deeper understanding of the hardware and software limitation on Apple. But here, it clearly says that it's supported, dude. So, I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong, but it seemed like it's working, dude. I tried out DMMCG on my 4GB GPU and it helped with stutter with CS2. Nice, dude. Nice. That's really cool. So yeah, there is that. We're gonna talk about it after. So yeah, I think this is really, really nice. So here you have all the changelog, all the fix. Yeah. This is insane, chat. This is a really, really good news, dude. This is a really good news. So VKX Descriptor Heap feature was rebased for testing branch a few hours ago. Pretty huge. Yeah, I know. I already tested. We have the version compiled. We're gonna test it during this stream, Powell. Okay. So this is nice. I don't know what to say really. Like it's a lot of improvement. I don't think we are in the groundbreaking type of thing, except for the support of ARM64 and all the improvement regarding Wine 11, right? So now we can take advantage of all the anti-sync stuff they put into it. I'm not sure we're gonna get like crazy improvement in game, but I hope I'm wrong. But the big news, in my opinion, is the support of ARM64, dude. Fix translate to Linux kernel, though not to the Apple kernel. Fair point, Alsnarko. Yeah, so you will still need Asahi and this type of stuff to install it. So now I'm wondering, like, because I've seen a video of someone running Steam on a Switch. So I don't know either what type of build they have inside the Switch, but yeah, if it's a Linux kernel, I don't know. But I think there is, like, to me, they open the Pandora box here. Voilà, for me, like, this is the most important. Like, this is the Pandora box. They have to open, and it's gonna be open even if it's them or someone else is gonna do it, because all those compatibility layer at the end, like the end game, in my opinion, is for Steam to be totally like platform agnostic, right? I think this is gonna be like the real end game for there. This is awesome. Alors, Humble Bundle. What's happening with Humble Bundle here? Nice chance to grab 15 games that work now and cheap. For the 15th of April, below you will get all the name of the list. Okay, so Cheap and Close, Pinball Spire, Hello Neighbor, Hide and Seek, Black Island, Unmetal, Street of Rogue, UFO, Blacksmith, Gunfrog. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of game, huh? Okay. So I have the Humble choice. I'm following like Humble Bundle stuff. I didn't buy this month yet, but I'm gonna buy it. They have Assassin's Creed with a Viking theme in it for $15. Linux Mint confirmed longer release cycle. The next release is planned for Christmas 2026. Interesting. Is SteamOS out for PC yet? Not officially. You can install it, but it's not official. That also means you will be able to play natively PC game on your phone. Yeah. So this, dude, I made the call, I think like 1 year ago in one of my predictions, in which I said that it's gonna be the end game for Steam. And I think we were talking about, you know, those glasses. Yeah. I think that's gonna be the end game. Like phone everywhere. Varisk, how are you doing? I repeat it here and now. It's gonna be totally platform agnostic. Platform agnostic and I would say architecture agnostic. We want to go like one level deeper because this is where we are at now. Okay, Mozilla announced the Thunderbolt, open source, self-hostable AI client. No. Gaming on Linux with an older GPU level up with DXVK Sarek 1.12 bringing major new feature. That's pretty nice. Vehicle building event survivor like TerraTech Legion launch April 30. Okay. I don't know about this game, dude. Okay, so we'll bypass all the game stuff. SDL, simple direct media layer, ban AI LLM call contribution. Allez hop, out. US operating system, age verification bill, parent decide act, get published. So I don't want to talk about that. We'll see how this whole thing goes. Road to Vostok is an incredibly impressive solo develop hardcore survival shooter. So we tried this game last week, chat. And I have to say, it was not bad at all, dude. It was not bad at all, dude. I didn't buy it, but I'm still thinking about, you know, the budget for buying game for this month. There is this game I'm interested in. I might buy. There is the next Diablo expansion, dude. So I'm kind of lurking this one too, because I would like to buy it. I don't know. It's gonna be released like before next week, I think. End of next week, 28th. So there is this one, and there is another game. Maybe he's gonna be talking about it, which is called Mouse PI whatever. So it's a noir, black and white type of game. Like it's a shooter, but it's also an adventure. Like the game is super interesting. So there is so many games this month which are kind of like interesting me, but I have to make choice, right? So we'll see which one we cover next week. The problem with macOS right now is a small community working on the Vulkan to Metal translation layer, and the issue is that Apple keeps everything proprietary from the hardware and software down to kernel. Okay, so it's still in development. Huh? Durian, how are you doing? Are you driving newest kernel and everything else? Yes. We'll have to update this installation, but yes, we'll do that for sure. Luanchi, formerly Mindtest, version 5.15 bring critical security update. Okay, so this is the open source Minecraft, I guess. I don't know, like this. A year after in development V8, the factory management RTS Mindustry is out. Never heard about this game. Book of Travel. Like this website is really good if you're into indie games and stuff. So I don't want to cover everything here. Okay. Xord, X-Server, and X-Wayland security advisory released for multiple issues. Okay, so this has been fixed, I guess, 2 days ago. Broken Sword, The Smoking Mirror, Reforged is up on Kickstarter. What? Dude, I don't know if you remember this series of games when we were younger. So I guess like the really young viewers, they don't know about this. But this was really cool, dude. Broken Sword. You remember this series? After releasing the Broken Sword, Shadow of the Templar Reforged back in 2024, Developer Revolution are preparing Broken Sword, The Smoke Mirror Reforged. They have a crowdfunding campaign on Kickstarter and are expecting there is a lot of excitement for another classic and much loved adventure game getting upgraded. Wow, that's pretty neat. No option for those that didn't get the chance to get Shadow of the Templar box edition. They just can't keep themselves for remastering those games. I don't know. Dude, this was a pretty darn good game when I was young, dude. Broken Sword is a super old school. Adventure game are having a bit of an indie renaissance at the moment. Makes sense. I played 1 and 2 in the 90s. Exactly, dude. I played them too. Sentinel is an achievement watcher for non-Steam game on Linux. Nice. No Man's Sky channel a little Pokemon with the Xeno Arena update. What? What? No Man's Sky is steadily turning into the everything game, isn't it? Hello Games have released another big upgrade for it, recently adding creature battling. Okay. Dude, you know what? We're gonna have to play this game. I bought it, and I never really played it, and I'm gonna tell you why. Because the performance on Linux is not good enough to my liking, and each time I open it and I start to play, I'm like, darn, I have to wait until the performance is there. But I'm really curious about this game, dude. Do you guys like have played it? No Man's Skies? I feel like this game could be insane. I don't know. Like I'm way more attracted by No Man's Sky than, for example, like Starfield. You see, like I don't know. There is something about this game which is really, I don't know, really interesting to me. Steam VR Beta brings Linux fixes for VR Link. Okay. So it makes sense, right? So maybe they're gonna release like the Steam like VR, like the new thing soon, dude. Getting some attention recently. Valve released Steam VR. The next release is focusing on VR Link, which allow you to wireless stream game to certain VR via Steam Link. Oh, okay, no, so it's totally different. Got it. So it's totally different. It's for Steam Link. Interesting, dude. The Steam frame. Come on, give it to me, baby. My man. No Man's Sky is super cool after all the updates he has gotten. Yes. It runs great. Dude, it runs, but I can't run it with frame gen on my machine, which is a big no-no for me. In No Man's Sky, I don't like the colorful space. Really? Aunt Brune. Hello Air Max. What have you been playing these days? I don't play that much outside of the stream, dude. I just don't. But last game we played was Road to Woodstock, which was pretty nice. And today we're gonna do Windrose. Alors, Doomkeeper free multiplayer update and Lost Keeper DLC have launched. Never played this game. Portal 2 Community Edition arrive in beta in April. Okay. Amazon Luna rips out game store, game purchases, and third-party subscription. What? How long before Amazon Luna goes the way of Google Stadia? Amazon announced some big change for their cloud gaming service. As April 10, they have begun doubling down on their own direct feature and build service rather than partnering up with anyone else. Removing purchases, extra subscription, and third-party store. Oh my gosh. Ubisoft, Jackbox game done. Bring on your own library done. A la carte purchase done. Bof. They are gonzo, chat. I think the business model is so hard, dude. For them. That's why they're doing that. I'm pretty sure this is the reason why, dude. Shoko will be doing a lot more PUBG. Any chance for a reunion? I don't know, dude. I'm around if you want to play with me. There's been a long time I didn't touch base with him. There's been a long time I didn't play PUBG either. Maybe try a custom Proton like G or Cachy, that could help. No. Like it's so the frame gen issue related to No Man's Sky, they are hardware related. So with the dev team of CachyOS, we found a way to actually activate it, but it's not good. Like compared to Windows, this is so bad, and it's just because of my Nvidia card, I'm sure. But there is a couple of games which are like really like bad to play right now on Linux with Nvidia, and I just don't want to go through them in this state, right? Because my point is like, the game will be the same about it. I don't want to have a bad experience with my hardware. I'd rather like wait a little bit until everything gets fixed and then I'm gonna play it. Don't know if it makes sense, but Dune are working server to get self-host server, plus they are splitting PvP and PvE. Nice! That's good. Okay, oh yeah, the famous Linux kernel 7.0. So let's see what he said about it. I'm gonna share my thought on it, but... Okay, plenty of support for new hardware, a lot of fix and some new document on AI called helper. So last week's release, continuous small fix. Okay, I suspect a lot of tool use, keep finding corner. Yes, anyways, last week, let's keep testing and tomorrow I merge. Okay. Oh, nice. So they allow like AI coding assistant to be used for kernel work. Interesting. To be clear, the AI tool used must be noted and the human submitter responsible for reviewing output, ensuring it complies with licenses and take full responsibility for it. Ooh. Udasnik, how are you doing, bud? I recently fell back into the Division 2. I've been playing it that every day for a week or two now. Nice. Is it working on Linux, dude? I don't remember, man. The Linux kernel team don't really do a breakdown like you might expect from other projects, mainly due to the insanely vast size of it. So we all have the stuff over here. Okay, so my thought on the kernel, it's good, like we are moving forward, but I didn't see crazy like breakthrough stuff. We are just in a normal evolution of the kernel. There is a big number now. We move from 6 to 7. Why not? But there is nothing like insane, I think. Yeah. Okay, so the Division 2 works flawlessly. Okay, thanks, dude. I didn't know. I had some doubt. Thanks for confirming, man. Pick up some quality adventure game in the Humble Golden Tales bundle. Nice, okay, so more bundle games. So this is the one, yeah, this is the one I was mentioning before with Assassin's Creed in it. Man, he does a lot of Humble Bundle stuff, huh? That's good. So yeah, this is the one, chat. So Assassin's Creed, Demon X Machina, Lord of the Rings, Return to Moria. Until then, Planet of Lana, Artisan TD, and there is also like I don't know, early access to another game if I remember correctly. So yeah, it's pretty dope. Would be a good opportunity for me to play Assassin's Creed like the good old time. I don't know. I didn't buy it yet, but I think I'm gonna get it. The Destiny bundle is good too. Destiny, I don't think you can play it on Linux. Okay, so this is the big news, and someone mentioned it in chat just earlier. Valve dev fixes up VRAM management on AMD GPU to improve performance. So this is great, dude. So what it means like if you don't have enough VRAM, it will use your actual RAM, right? So it will fulfill the VRAM and then get and spit on your RAM. And you won't have like the lockup and the stutter that you would get before, simply because your GPU doesn't have enough RAM for those, you know, like latest game, which are like really like RAM hungry. So it's actually insane, dude. So RAM management on Linux with AMD GPU is about to get a whole lot better, which is great for news, which is a great news for gaming, especially on the lower end or hitting VRAM limit. Coming from Natalie Vogt, an independent contractor for Valve who has been working on the open source AMD Mesa graphic driver, and all it sounds incredibly impressive. So I talked to Natalie Vogt, I believe, but it was more regarding like ray tracing. She's a really nice person, dude. Really, really nice person. And she knows what she's doing, like obviously. If you have a GPU with 8 GB or less, this is something you are really going to be interested in, as it should make game feel a whole lot better on Linux. Instead of performance slowly degrading over time, games should perform much more stable as long as the game itself doesn't use more VRAM than you will actually have. And generally, it seems like even modern games stay within a memory budget of 8 GB a bit or less. So watch, this is what I was saying. The blog spot is on the long side and rather technical, but the short version is their work uses a mixture of Linux kernel patches and some additional utilities to actually ensure game correctly use all the available VRAM first before anything spill over the system RAM. It's all about making everything see the game as being most important compared to random background app. So yeah, my first explanation was not quite appropriate. I thought it was more making the transition to RAM like smoother. Or maybe I'm wrong, I don't know. From what I read from the more technical stuff. From what say, it might even benefit the Intel Xe GPU 2, and a patch for open source Nvidia Nouveau driver was also sent upstream. That's pretty good, dude. And obviously, like if you're on CachyOS with KD Plasma, well, you can test it. So this was the other news. It was like, because I'm in the Discord of the dev, and what happened was like the PR request was ready, and right away the team of CachyOS was on it and were like, okay, can we push it? And she was like, yes, and boom. On CachyOS, you could have tried it like almost like day one, hour one, which is pretty neat, dude. That's it until now because I fixed it. Wait, but how can it use your RAM when nobody has RAM because of RAM shortage? Oh, you got an ad? Sorry, brother. Maybe he won't be able to listen to me, dude, because it's still in ad. That's why you need to use your Twitch Prime, right? That's why you need to use your Twitch Prime, brother. Twitch Prime is free. And it helps the channel a lot. Yeah, okay, so this is exactly what I said. You see? As expected, the game used a lot of VRAM. However, a lot of memory allocation also end up in memory region referred as GTTs. This is memory that is accessible by the GPU but physically located in the RAM. So obviously, like, you don't have the same speed. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I don't want to read everything, but I guess Liam and I are both right? It just facilitates. So first, it optimizes the way the VRAM was used before, so you can use more than before, and the transition toward RAM is also smoother. Right? And it lowers the amount of memory, right? Okay, so it lowers the amount of memory used in the RAM. So, okay, so I was wrong. It prioritizes the use of VRAM mainly. Okay. That's pretty neat, dude. There are worthwhile comparison in video on /Reddit Linux Gaming. Okay. Okay, so that's good, dude. This is pretty awesome. So this is huge in my opinion. Like, this is actually huge. So framework is new hardware and something big for Linux too. Nice. Basite Linux gets some major upgrade for the April 2026 update. Okay. The best of Humble. Fight for your friend, game bundle, bring multiplayer madness. Okay. Doom Eternal is now available on GOG. Nice. Okay, yeah, I think we saw that last week. Okay. Pretty dope if you ask me. Yeah. Okay, so we checked that last week. So that was a big news, chat. So the latest one I want to talk about, because I think he didn't cover it yet, because it was just this morning, is this one. So Proton VKG 3G Heap Rebase. Alors, where are you, papa? This one. Okay, so how do I check stuff? Okay, so it was 4 hours ago. So I would like to see... Man, I'm such a noob with GitHub. I think I should really learn how to use it once for all. Like, so, They made a comment about it. So here I can find it, I guess. Someone certainly pause. No. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, that's the link. Oh, I have to check the pull request. This is the one, you see? My bad, chat. Alors. Okay. So, what is it all about, chat? We already tried that in his first implementation. Now, what Ants has been working on for, I don't know how long, like for a long time. I think he started like 2 or 3 weeks ago. He did a full like rebase of the Descriptor Heap implementation within VKG 3G Proton. So let's see what he has to say. Massive behemoth rewrite as is shippable. The full PR is here for testing purpose, but the actual landing will happen in 500,000 stages. Okay, so there is still a lot of work to be done, right? Hidden behind VKG threading equal descriptor heap, since there are still several Nvidia bugs left to resolve before this can be considered shippable as default. So you still need to activate it behind this environment variable, right? Compared to the previous POC, I would say piece of code. I guess piece of code. This PR does not remove legacy code path. He's not happy about that. But the idea is that those old paths will eventually be removed once Heap is solid everywhere and we can sunset support for ancient GPU. Nvidia black screen bulb with Heap go in this. Okay, so that's for the tracker related to the problem. So I already tried it. Okay, so right now, what you need to do is recompile this part of Proton, inject it in your Proton folder, compatibility layer. Ah, proof of concept. Okay, proof of concept. My bad, my bad. Thank you. I thought it was piece of code. Thank you, guys. Proof of concept. Thank you very much. Super Risk Breaker, what's up? Yesterday I was hearing of Stop Killing Game and now the video is available. What are we talking about, Super Risk Breaker? So, like, this is a crazy good news, chat. I touched base with the team of CachyOS this morning and I talked to Loving Kernel and Peter about this, and they already pushed a version of Proton which includes this Rebase VKXT descriptor heap. And I downloaded it and I tried it already. Okay. So we'll be testing that today because, spoiler alert, the game we are willing to play today, Windrose, only launched on my hardware with this version of Proton and this being activated. So yeah, it's huge. So regarding the performance, so the performance itself, I think right now, like what this means, it means that we have a proper version of VKG 3D Proton with the VKX descriptor heap. Okay, like now it's not like a proof of concept anymore. Now it's kind of like an alpha. My interpretation of this is like Hans is saying to everyone, guys, I did my part of the job. We implemented it. Now I'm gonna share the code with Nvidia Dev. And now it's on Nvidia Dev and then also the desktop environment dev. I'm thinking about Kewin here to implement the things the right way. Okay. So again, like this is not the end game. Like don't, download it, play the game and notice like the performance is not as good as on Windows because we are not there yet, right? Like we are not there yet. It's a fact. But we are at a point where everything, like the work process start to be really like solid. I'm super hype on that. But don't be disappointed. I stay on my statement that it's going to be around July, August that we're going to have something really good for Nvidia user on Linux. Not before then. Okay? Because what's going to happen is like Nvidia is going to look at it, is going to implement whatever needs to be done on their hand. They're going to see issue within the commit here. So they're going to push back. Then it's going to be implemented. Then we're going to have another pushback. It's going to be a lot of like ping pong games there. So I won't lie to you, like right now I'm a little bit frustrated. I feel like, when you are working and you are almost at the holidays date, right? You are like 1 week before getting to holidays and for whatever reason, the same work you have been doing for years, you are 1 week before the holidays, you feel harder, right? You feel like, damn, I'm almost there, but I have this freaking 5 days to commit again, and I feel tired. I just want to go in holidays. I'm tired of all this thing. And this is how I feel related to that, right? I feel like I see the end of the tunnel, but I'm not quite there, and it's even like heavier on me, you know? But again, like it's fair to feel like that, but we are getting out of it, right? Like try to change your perspective. We are getting out of it. Intuitive player, what's up? Fazy, my man, what's up? That just live in a nutshell? Yeah, I know. How is the Twitch ad treating you on site? My man, where is your Twitch Prime, brother? What are you doing? Instead of watching those ads. Come on. Anyways. So we have it. I downloaded it. I'm going to show you how to activate it. And we're going to do some tests. No mouse PI gameplay. Dude! Look this. Look at this. Look at this. You see this number here? It's no good, brother. I can't go all in on all the game. So last week I didn't buy Rods to Vote stock. This week I commit to Windrose. And out of nowhere there is no mouse PI like coming out. Bro! You see this? It is $20. This 43 is like $40 before tax. Ah! That reminds me, I should have Bezos bucks to send you. Nice, man. Nice. So yeah, maybe next week, Fizzy. Okay? But yes, I need it. I need this game. Like, it seemed like insane. And you know what? I was thinking about you because when I look at the game and I add it to my wish list, the other game which was like related to it on Steam was the game you like, Selaco. Man, I'm just botching the name, dude. Wait, let me show you. It's a name. It's a game.
Oh, oui. It is a Twitch Prime becoming
the game you love, dude. Selaco. Yeah, exactly. Because I was like, dude, this is Fizzy game. Darn, I need to relog. Logic Slayer, let's go! Thank you very much for the support. 6 months on Twitch Prime. Yeah. Thank you very much, dude. For real, immediately after subscribing with Prime, I get an ad. Oh no! It's another boomer shooter. Man, apparently, like, the game is insane because it's just not a shooter. There is a story in it. Salut Xas. Selaco is awesome. Waiting for the next episode with great anticipation. Dude, I know. We're gonna have to do it on stream too. Like, listen, chat. One day I'm gonna have more time. We're gonna do more stream. We're gonna do more stream, dude. Okay, so let me log in. Oh man, my hair. Okay. Let me log in real quick, chat. I need to update anyways, but we're gonna log in. And we're gonna play Windrose, dude. And I'm gonna show you the recommendation from Steam.
Ooh la la, la crème de la
Yes.
crème club. A news croissant, the best club on internet. Ooh la la, la crème de la crème club. A news croissant, the best club on
Let's
internet.
go! Thank you very much
Ooh la la, la
for
crème de
the
la
support,
crème club.
guys. Who did that?
A news croissant,
Who
the
did
best
that, dude?
club
It's
on
Fizzy,
internet.
man. Faisy, my man!
Ouh là là, la crème de la
Thank
crème
you
club.
very much
A new
for the
croissant
gift
is
sheet,
the
dude.
best club on
Okay,
internet.
now I need to buy it. Now I need
Ouh
to
là
buy it,
là,
dude.
la crème de la crème club.
Now
A
you
new
literally
croissant
got
is
me,
the
dude.
best club on internet. Ouh là là, la crème de la crème club.
Okay,
A
so
new
let me
croissant is the best club on internet.
do that real quick, chat. Now you got me. I have to buy it. Guys, if you receive a membership from Faisy, dude, please thank him. If you like the show, if you like the video, I know the videos are not as, like, there is no video for a long time, but we're going back at it. I'm telling you, please support the channel, okay? You have no idea how much it helps. You see that? Because I'm literally putting all the money in the channel anyways. Buying game, buying hardware, buying stuff. So, yes. Arnold, what's up? Thanks a lot, Fizzy. I really, really appreciate it, dude. Arnold, what are we going to break today? I hope I won't break your heart, Arnold. Didn't see that coming, huh, broski? Didn't see that one coming, huh, dude? Okay, so the game, Windrose. It's here. I'm gonna update everything, chat. So let's update everything. Too late, papa? Oh no. Oh no. My man. Selaco game with old school graphic. Yeah. We need to play it. You remember we did a lot of testing with the Steam Deck on it. Colon for sex, what's up? Game performance is already good. My complaints are all the overfit and finish problem. What are we talking about, Colon? Colon for sec? What the is your name what I think it is, dude? Is your name what I think it is, dude? Atem Ben Arfa. Bro. I didn't know Atem Ben Arfa was a big fan of Linux. Welcome, broski. If you are the real Atem Ben Arfa, you better support the channel, I'm telling you. Simply doll. I've lost my wallet, so can't do anything, even buy groceries. I can't even before next week. Yeah, sure, broski. We all believe you, dude. We all believe you, dude. Okay. Let's update. So I'm uploading. I don't know what's happening with Steam. But the update of... Wait, let me check. Why is it so slow? Wait. Let me check something, chat. Library, where are you, papa? Storage, yes. Yeah, for whatever reason, like... PC is struggling right now. We're gonna update everything, because I'm on the RC kernel, so maybe it has to do with this. Don't know what's going on, man. So I'm gonna stop that. We're gonna just update here. Oof, 1 week, dude. 1.6 gigabyte. Yes, let's go. Cosmic ID, what's up? I heard Fedora 44 got delayed again, but I trust it's for good reason. And beside it, if I was impatient, I could always opt in for the beta. Yeah, don't rush it. Like, my learning with Fedora is like, don't rush the upgrade. Like, there is no point anyways. Sincerely, like, just wait for it. Rushing the update on Fedora, whether it's them or you, is a bad idea. Listen to me. So Pragmata looks good too. Got good review so far, but I will wait for that one as it is $60. What is Pragmata, dude? I've seen it on the Humble Choice.
You just gonna stay here when this is all done? What do you want?
I want to go to Earth.
What the hell is going on here? And why are these things trying to kill us?
While I was preparing to depart for Earth, the moonquake struck, damaging Edis.
Enacting attack protocol. Permission to commit acts of controlled violence granted.
You gotta be kidding me. I'm calling it. You'd make a lousy friend. We'll shut Edis down, and then we'll head to Earth.
Let's do our best.
This run on Linux?
I decide my own way. And I'm going to Earth with you.
We're a team, right? A whole new life. If you're ready.
Okay, then let's go. Together. I'm gonna get a better look.
Hello, we are Cabin, your one-stop companion for all things shelter.
Oh! Dude, is that not today?
Caller.
You have to help Pragmata. We're equipped with the ability to lead us together. Thank you.
Targets identified. Neutralizing threats.
We can try it. Boo, papa! Most fun I had in a AAA in forever. Game run absolutely beautifully on Linux as well. Had one crash in 10 minutes on Proton 9, but moving to Proton Experimental resolved that issue. On the actual game, they have integrated a hacking system right on top of the FPS controller. You swap between managing hacking and aiming by holding Alt. With the mouse, armor, plating actually function as armor. Progression is linked to several different trees. Speaking of the shelter... You think it's a weird game? It got leaked? Oh, that's why they did that? Hmm... Okay, we're gonna try it, dude. Now we have a lot of game to try, chat. Let's reboot here. And yeah, we'll see where we land, chat. Yeah, I'm gonna try the demo. Just to see how it run. And the thing is, like, man, like I can't buy all the game. Like I can't. I just... I think it was leaked on the 15 or so. Darn. So let's focus on the Proton Heap first and on Windrose, because this is a big image on the YouTube like video. No, you did more than that, Mansouri, Mohamed, Lamin. You need more than that for the VKG Heap. The new version, the Rebase, I'm gonna show it to you guys, okay? So... let's see if we are up. Normally we should be fine, but... Okay, so now we're gonna do a Pacman, QS, Linux, CachyOS, so Linux I guess. Okay, I'm gonna remove some of them, chat. So Paru, R. I think it's R like that, I don't remember. So we're gonna remove the LTS because I don't need it. The header too, thanks. And the driver. And I'm gonna remove the RC, chat. Just to clean this install real quick. Like you don't need to do that, but I like when everything's clean. Nvidia, hurry up. Yes. Liquor are insane. New Mario movie was out in 4K torrent before release. Oh no! Do we still need to use the FSR upgrade command or is it automatic now? I don't know, man. I don't know. Like this specific version of Proton, I'm gonna share it with you guys. I'm gonna show you. Is for the rebase of Nvidia Heap. So you can actually use it. So you can actually use it with AMD too, but you need the Mesa Git version, okay? Man, this is slow. I don't know what's happening with my NVMe drive, like. The heck? Anyways, so let's go back here if we can. Gonna open the second one. Yeah, I don't know why it's slow like that, chat. So I'm gonna mount Ventoy. Hey, Leonardo Cecconi, how are you, dude? So where did I put that? Give me 1 second, chat. Heap, testing heap, I guess. Yes. So it's here, chat. Okay. So that's the file. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with this game, dude. Like, I don't know why my SSD is struggling here. It shouldn't even be, like, sweating. Like, this is the NVMe drive. And I updated before, so it's like... something is odd. Alors, this is the file I did download. We're gonna go into Steam. Compatibility tool. Okay, and we're gonna extract it there. So past, yes. Okay. Hey GM, bonjour. What Linux distro are you running today? CachyOS, dude. Oh, what's happening? The heck? Okay, this game is out, right? Too late, broski. Like, it's literally like crashing my PC. I don't know why. We'll re-download it after just for science. Well, like something is really odd. There we go. Yeah, you see, I couldn't even copy stuff. Okay. So what you do when you download the version of like Proton CachyOS, so this one has been compiled this morning, and it integrates the rebase, okay? You extract it into your like Steam, enfin, home.steam/compatibility tools. Okay. And now you have it there. Okay, so it is fine. Just for science, chat, I'm gonna retry like Marvel, see what's going on if I reinstall it like that. 70 gigabyte free, so it should be fine. Yeah, I think something was just wrong, like something happened there. Because you see, look at the disk usage. Now it's working properly. Like something was super odd, dude. Okay, so we're gonna finish that. And then I'm gonna launch the game and I'm gonna show you how to launch Proton Heap Rebase. So where to find Proton CachyOS SLR with Heap? You go on the Discord and there is a link there. Otherwise, you go on the build of Proton CachyOS and you can download it there. No way. Something just happened to me with the Ravile update. Yeah, exactly. Something happened there. Something is funky. But you're on Windows? Okay. My internet speed is fire. So yeah, my internet speed. This is not my internet speed, dude. This is LAN cache, network cache. So how to explain that to you? I have a local server which cache the download. Yeah, something is wrong with this update, huh, Fezzy? Well, no worries. Like I just erased it and re-downloaded it, dude. I think a lot of users are gonna have to do that, unfortunately. We'll see if it stays, because right now I'm at 7.3 gigabit. Ah, voilà. Bon, bah, it was fast, hein, chat? Okay, dude, thank you for coming. It's done. Alright, so let's restart, because I copied the folder while Steam was on. Okay. And we're gonna relaunch it. Did you keep your install of the game on different server and you only point to Steam to that server? Yeah, this is the idea, Darian. It's called LAN cache. And so each time I download a new game, he made a copy on this specific server. So it's totally transparent. And I have a script that every night re-download all the game I want to re-download on the specific cache server. So like that, it's super transparent. So if I do right click here on the game, so this is a game we're going to try, okay, today. You need to force the specific version of Proton, right? So this is the one I downloaded from the 10th of April. It's this one, dude. So I get out from here. Actually, no, maybe I want to do the test. So let me show you, chat. If I use the normal one, I think the game does not even launch. So no command, nothing, and you will see the game was not launching before. And I think this Proton version with the rebase of Heap actually changed everything. Redownload, you mean update the server game to the newer version? Yes, Dorian. That's the idea. And to update it, you redownload the old game. So I can have my own PC off and the server does everything on the background, right? So watch, you see I had this fatal error here. I could not launch it. I tried everything on ProtonDB, everything. Like it just wouldn't work. Okay? It just wouldn't launch. This morning, I'm gonna show you the command. Okay. And like that, we're gonna look at it together, okay, chat? So I'll go back there. Proprietary, hello. Okay, and then I'm gonna switch to the new version. Okay, so this is a new version. I won't be using the command just to make sure. So it's gonna be the updated version, but again without Heap. Okay. Is your server running CachyOS? No, I'm running Debian on my server. Like the two love of my life regarding Linux are Debian, and number two recent one compared to how long I've loved Debian is CachyOS, dude. I like Arch, okay, but I love CachyOS for the simplicity it gave me, right? I love Arch, but I prefer CachyOS for my desktop. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna activate Heap, and I'm gonna show you guys. Okay. So I hope it's not too small. So this is the LG preload to make sure like nothing is loaded before we launch. Then to activate Heap on this specific version of Proton CachyOS and the rebase of Heap, you need this variable, proton underscore vkg3d underscore heap equal 1, and then you need to activate the new branch vkg3d underscore config equal descriptor heap. Okay? So this command is gonna activate the new Rebase version we have been talking about at the beginning of the stream, which was released this morning, dude. So you need the Nvidia driver which are compatible with it. So obviously CachyOS has them. And you need the version of Proton which is compatible with it. And then you need to obviously like add it in the environment variable. Okay, and this is for MangoHud and this is for increasing the perf overall. Are you ready, chat? Let's go. Maple Leaf, what's up, dude? A dual booting Windows and Cachy, they say not to have both drive share a Steam drive, formatting reason, I guess. Yes, I can explain that to you, but yes. The best thing is to have everything separate. Right? And watch, the game just launched, dude. No problem. So this is a win in my book, dude. So it's not perfect. I will share with you why it's not perfect. But think about it, chat. Just like that. Bam! We have Heap, the game function. Right? It's huge, dude. It is insane. Oh, did it just crash? No! No way it crashed. Come on, Papa, don't do that to me. Probably I will wait for Proton update. Yeah, just wait. I'm here to do the dirty testing for you guys. Okay, so he crashed. And he crashed bad. Okay, don't be worried, dude. So you can tell here my GPU like was in trouble there. So we're gonna kill it, dude. And we'll see if it's just a little bug or if it's more. I hope it's not more, chat. Allez, Papa. No! You were working so good before, don't do that to me! No! 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 Oh no, dude, what did I, like... What the heck happened? So yeah, this is the right one. Darn, maybe I need to reinstall it. Might have to reinstall it and clean the cache, chat. It sucks because it was working so good this morning before I launched the stream. I was moving around, dude. I was playing the game. Oh no, chat. Why? Oh, wait. Someone said I need to do something else. Wait. Maybe this is the reason why, chat. Dude, maybe the dude was right. 304 1230, 304. 304 1230, this one. Found it, dude. Which one it was? Yeah, this one here. Global emulation. So yeah, we are doing really geeky stuff, chat. Okay, I know. Okay, so this was a trick, dude. Got it! Oh, chat, I'm so good! Okay, so I needed to do the patch. So there is one option that makes the game crack. Okay. So, someone mentioning in chat, and then it tilted, right? Sharika, how are you doing, dude? Chris Ness, what's up? So, okay, you have the sound, huh, chat? Yeah, you have it. Nice. So right now I'm using DLSS performance, frame generation off, everything to the max, except the global illumination, right, chat? Because this one, it makes the game like destroyed, okay? For whatever reason. Okay, so let's see if I can do a new character. This one for testing, you see I tested before. So this one we're gonna call it Air Max. Man, do we look like pirate or what? Dude, I'm gonna try to make it like me, chat. Okay. Skin. Oh yeah. Oh, a little bit older, chat. Head. Eye color. Ooh, dude, I wish I had blue eyes, chat. Oh, you can make it upset. The ears I can see, chat. Yeah, like that, okay. My future haircut, boys! Oh no! I like this style, chat. Man, this is pretty dope, huh, dude? Oh yeah! Yeah. Look at this guy. Hair color. Oh. What is this chat? I guess it's more like that. Bold max. Huge spec and a six-pack check. Yes. Nathaniel, what's up? Some people mention on Steam Forum, if you get DLSS NGX update to 0, global illumination will work. Okay, maybe we could try that. Oh. So man, I'm not really a tattoo guy, I think. But I have to say I like this. Can have it one in the back? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Do we go full tattoo like that? Am I creating myself? I'm trying, dude. Oh, and then you decide. Oh, it's pretty neat, dude. I think I'm gonna do one yes and one no, chat. Oh yeah, like that. You see, one on this side and one on the other side, like a boss. Okay, makeup. The heck? I'm not sure, dude. What do you think, chat? I'm really not sure about this one. Lips. I don't know. I'm not a makeup guy, dude. What the heck is this supposed to be? It's not my style, chat. Alright. Name adventure? No. Air Max, papa. Oh la la, look at the grand class. Okay, so we're gonna do a solo offline. And we're gonna create a new one. So we have focus on exploration, intended with Windrose experience. World name. Bermuda Triangle. Okay. All right. Okay, here we go. Oh, Xero, how are you doing, dude? So far, we talked a lot, okay? But now we game. Edward Teach Blackbird proclaimed himself the king of pirates of the West Indies. Rumor are spreading that he struck a bargain with the devil himself and commands the dead. After crushing the British fleet, Chichester is forced toward Toluga, the last bastion of freedom and independence. Not looking for trouble with a couple of Apostle, you try to... But just a few days later, you wake up in your cabin and realize you are under attack. You hear a broadside and everything goes dark. Oh. Frigate cabin. You wake up on the cabin floor to the clash saber, your head is pounding and your vision doubles. Check the back of your head. There is a big lump on your back of your head. Down. The last thing you remember is the deck lurching under your feet as cannonballs strike the hull. Blimey. Blimey. Blimey? What does it mean? Your ship is under attack. You need to get out of the cabin and see what's going on. Man, okay, so let's cut the chase, chat. Let's cut the chase. There is something that is happening with Linux and Nvidia right now. The input lag is through the roof, dude. I don't know what's going on, chat. So I'm gonna try to enable this. But I think it's borked anyways. Okay, this is a little bit better, I guess. It doesn't feel... Dude, it doesn't feel like on Windows. It seems like it's a little bit laggy, right? So obviously, like, I'm really like sensible to this type of stuff. Okay. Oh, dude, this guy is in a bad shape. Captain, thank goodness. We have been looking everywhere for you. Skip the detail, dog, how bad it is. Blackbird pirates are boarding us. They are everywhere. Half the crew is dead, but remarkably, some are still fighting. Polo, what's up, dude? What kernel am I running? I'm running kernel 7, dude. Go help the other. Perhaps you may yet turn the tide. Yes. Okay, let's take care of those guys. A hard fight lies ahead and your vision is still swimming after the concussion. Drink some coffee to rouse yourself. Yes. Is it DLSS? Yes, it is. So I'm running kernel 7.0, latest version of Proton Heap Rebase. Oh. I owned him, chat. Oh man, that's bad. So we are in 4K, everything to the max. Got him. Get out of my ship! Oh man, everybody's in bad shape. The Crimson, welcome back to La Crème de la Crème Club. Let's go! Thank you very much, dude. Thank you very much. Oh, my sheep, you dogs! Man, it seems like I'm pretty good. Oh, what's happening? Do we have multiple members coming back? What's happening, chat? Let me check. Spree, aren't you consider yourself Deepos Cap? The artifact from him. Wait, did he shot me while I was reading chat? So there was some type of artifact, and the artifact went into me. This guy shot me. Throw the bodies overboard, we are leaving. Dude, they got me really hardcore. He shot me, chat. So I went out. Wait, I went out. I found the artifact. It really was on the ship. Anchored down my throat. Something definitively not right with this thing. Get Richard. He will handle it. So I guess Richard is a big guy. And this is where I get upset. Off my ship, you dogs! Whoa. This is what I was saying. I'm pretty good, chat. I don't want to send myself flower, but I think I'm pretty good. Okay, so what is happening in the chat? Let me check. Man, it doesn't show. It doesn't show the freaking update, dude. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second, chat. I just replayed it because I missed them. But right now I want to see, like, I've seen some people supporting the channel. I want to make sure, like, I don't forget them, dude. And my system, like, doesn't show the notification correctly. Okay, so we got Team and we got Chrisman. So guys, thank you very much. The man, the myth, the legend, Air Max. Chrisman64, thank you very much for your support. And Team, thank you very much too for your support, guys. Thank you very much. I'm sorry I didn't see it, okay? Okay. Sorry about that. Okay, let's go back at it. Yes. So, Undead Pirate, Monkey Island. Yeah, it looks like it. Whoa. Sensei, what's up? How are you doing? So, team, I think I can skip the cutscene. We're gonna see, like, next time how I can, like, skip them or not. But at least you can replay them. You wake up on a deserted island. The wave must have washed you ashore. You remember the... Dude! Am I too slow? You remember the shot searing your chest. The bullet passed clean through. Yet there is no trace. The wound has healed as it never existed. So it's D. Yet your body from your heart to your fingertip is laced with patterns that shimmer with your cold light touching them hurt. You need to figure out where you are and why you are still alive. Okay, so this feels good, dude. This actually feels good, chat. How does it look on stream? Finally, I can play this game. Plant fiber. Can get some wood. Finally, some parrot Minecraft. You look sharp and good. Nice. So the gun is here. How do I shoot? Alt. Oh, I have no bullet. Oh, you can get some nails. What is this? Is that a doo-doo, dude? Bro. Time to eat, boys. Man, he almost got me, this guy, oh. So I can't eat him, dude. Is there some coconut that can fall there? How do I get those coconut, chat? Hey, mind quickly show the video settings? Yes. It's everything to the max, dude. And no frame gen. So DLSS perf. Frame gen off. Reflex on, because I think it's laggy otherwise. Like, there is something wrong. I was saying, like, there is something wrong with the input lag right now with freaking Linux. I don't know what's going on. And yeah. And then everything to epic. Except this one here, because it crashes the game when you launch it. And we're in 4K. Lol, such a nice beach, and all we gamer think is about killing and destroying things. What's up, the Corbin? Well, I need to eat. Oh, what are those? Can I eat those, dude? So I can't use 6, dude. I can't. Now we got a lot of egg. We're gonna do a good omelette, that's for sure, huh, man? Gonna have a great omelette, chat. Yeah, you're welcome, Imov. Oh, I got the crab too! I got him, dude! Oh, I see some coconuts there, look! Oh! So, like, I have to be able to eat those coconuts, man. Oh, yes, it works. Okay, give me more. Okay, here we go. So now, the frame time are pretty nice. The input lag is just not great. Like I can tell something is not at 100% shot. Oh, there is something going on over there. So you want me to try frame gen? Is it DLSS perf on 1440p or 4K? 4K, dude. I'm streaming in 1440p for just the sake of it, but... Okay, so let's see. So this is what I already reported to the Valve team, is that frame gen is borked. Okay, but we're gonna try it still. So DLSS frame gen. Okay, put it on 2, because this is what I'm willing to do, not more. Apply. And watch. Like it doesn't increase my FPS. It just look it at 130 for whatever reason. And look at my GPU usage, dude. Yeah, and here the latency is just unbearable in my opinion, but... Oh, there is ton here. Let's punch this one. My health is low, huh? And the graphics are looking insane too. Yeah, so I'm not sure, man. I think DLSS frame gen is borked. So let's try the other one. Okay. This one works. Okay, so we need to craft something a bit. Okay, so new quest update, J. Unbird, okay, 20. New schematic available, resource discovered. Spicy breaded kebab and bacon and eggs. Ooh, nice, okay, so I can cook I guess in this game. Okay, so you have this and you can unlock stuff, okay. So how do I build? B. Oh, nice, okay, so... You know what, let's do the bonfire here. Press B to enter building mode. Then press right click to select a structure. Oh! Oh, nice, dude. I need more wood. Okay, so let's go grab some wood, chat. DLSS upscaler with FSR frame gen breaks my brain, same. But you know what? I will take what I take, you know what I mean? Like, you get what you get and you don't get upset. I learned that from my kids here. You get what you get and you don't get upset. Right, chat? Okay, so man, I can build it pretty far from the fire, huh? Oh, I can turn it too? Not bad, chat. Oh, this is for cooking. Yeah, I think I want to cook here in the middle like that. A tent? Plant fiber and wood. Okay. So we don't have enough resource, chat. So let's see what we can do with the workbench. Can make some rope. Some fabric, dude. Stone axe. Okay, this is what we need. Okay, let's get some wood, chat. So much wood on this beach. Oh, crab! Hey, got you, dude. I love crab. Woohoo! Okay, so it's working, dude. Latency is mildly acceptable in crafting game, FPS game, hard no. Yes, I agree with you. Traumatic. So what is with the 595 driver not liking UE5 when 590 and 580 driver can be maxed? I think it's related to the Heap stuff, because when I linked it to the Heap, everything worked on my hand. Okay, I'm gonna put it a little bit lower if you're okay, chat. Yeah, confirm. And I'm gonna remove the frame gen because I don't need those 30 FPS at the end of the day. Like, I'd rather like keep the latency, dude. Yeah. Okay, so let me do this. Yeah. So stone axe and pickaxe. Okay, so we're gonna take this one. It was fast to craft too. Okay, so now let's see. Let's cut some tree, dude. Oof. Harvest. Oh, this is how you get the plant fiber, chat. Dude, it's actually insane, no? Okay. I'm gonna be able to build my tents really fast. Okay, so, you know, something I appreciate in this type of game is when you have to craft something. Oh, you can put it high too? This is smart, dude. Okay, so if I die, I guess I'm gonna spawn here. Oh, can I cook stuff? Oh! Yeah. Boiled crab, yes. Dodo broth. Alright, let's go, chat. So something I appreciate is like when you are in this type of game and it doesn't take you years to build something, right? Or cut some wood or whatever, right? Vixie, happy Friday, dude. How are you doing? For me, problem with DLSS frame gen has been resolved by update Nvidia streamline DLSS in game directory, but it was for Cyberpunk. So the DLL file in the game directory, I heard about that, but I'm not sure. Nadine Martin, bonjour Air Max. C'est aussi en français? De quoi on parle? Du stream ou du jeu? Okay, so now we are rested. Oh, look what I can do now. Signal fire, where the royal fleet when Tortuga fell. The light of the signal fire can be seen so from afar. Only 3 signals can be placed in the world. Okay. Perfect for exploring dark cave. Oh, nice! The tent we already did. Allow you to disable equipment and recover the source used to craft it. Oh, nice, okay. Sleeping spot, better than nothing. Allow you to set your revival point. Okay. Storage basket, wooden chest. Oh, okay, so now... Oh, you can do your own base, dude! Oh, dude. Look at that, chat! So yeah, you can I'm pretty sure you can install it in French. I don't know, but it should be fine. I really enjoyed the naval battle of this game, something like Assassin's Creed Black Flag. Okay. You can set up with distribution, you seem pretty good at that? What do you mean? With distribution, dude? Yeah, we can build something. Well, right now I would like to cover a little bit more of the game itself. So let's get out of here. Is there a map? Yes. Traveler camp. Oh, and tell you where to go. Oh my gosh, there is a lot of different stuff there. Okay, so let's go to the traveler camp, chat. Yeah, so the graphic at night, it's not that, huh, chat? Kill a boar and obtain its... Oh, I need to kill this thing. Where was it? It's here. No! Oh! Got it. Oh, I can make more food, I guess. So, man, itching doesn't give me more life. Bonfire is for the guests. Ooh, bacon and egg? Of course, dude. Oh, from Schedule 1, got it, yes. I was pretty good at that, you're right. Watch out, they're tough. Dude, I owned him. Okay, so let's go to the camp here. Oh, it's a big trio. That's what she said. Okay. Okay. There is our place. Oh, there is a chest, dude. Ooh, twist of fancy. Came across smuggler cache yesterday, found a pinch of gunpowder. Okay, so how do we take all of this? A light drink with a slightly sweet taste, too bad, it's easy to make, rare ingredients are required. Return you to the last revival point. Okay. So there is 2 chests here. What is the other one? Oh, look. Oh, another one. Ooh, this one is level 3, chat. Oh man, this one is big. More meat. Down! Ah, no stamina! No! It killed me, dude! He owned me! So how does it work? Man, he's on my grave! Did I lose everything? Oh no! He won't tap me. We need to get some bullet, dude. Normally I should kill him now. Eh ben. Okay, so you still get everything back. Oof. Okay, that would have been scary, chat. But it would have been fair at the same time, so... Man, I'm getting cooked, I'm getting owned. So let's see. Oh, there is someone. What is this? Chat, there is someone. Is that a big crab? Whoa! What a vicious dude. Yeah, there is a big crab there. Oh, there is 3 of them, and there is this guy. It doesn't look like he's in a good shape, chat. Man, I feel like I need to go. What is this? Oh, dude! Oh, no, 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 no! Man! I need to re-heal. This is not good. Get some clothes and upgrade your weapon. I can do that? Okay. So here is... I was supposed to find 2 chests. But I just found 1. So I guess I'm missing something here. Okay, we'll figure it out after. But look, there is those guys everywhere on the beach. Hmm. And they were not here during the day. You have no available worker for the station, so I can employ people, I guess. Which is pretty cool, okay. Let's see what I can build. Oh, armor and clothes. So I need some fabric. Okay, okay, I need some fabric, dude. Of them. Oh, I like that. Chat, I really, really like that. The fact that I don't have to wait to craft, like... This is good. Ooh. Yeah, and there is a slight, like, lag from time to time in the game. I don't know if you noticed that, but it just, like, lagged really hard. A roof required? Oh no. Damn, I need to build a house. Oh, this is the way, dude. This is the way. Look at the amount of wood I get by getting rid of this. Oh, I can swim too. Cool. I got some nail. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be helpful. Nice. So B. Foundation, stick, or rock. Oh, okay. Yeah, I think wood is a play, chat. Oh my gosh, this is huge! And I can make it high like that? Okay, let's live dangerously, chat. Dude, how big of a house do we need? I don't know. Yeah, I think 4 blocks is enough. It's not a house at this point, it's a palace, chat. Okay, so we need the wood fiber. Okay, so... Is it normal for Linux to have much higher input lag than Windows with Nvidia GPU? No matter what I do, I can get rid of it. Yeah. So this is what I was saying at the beginning of the stream. I noticed like lately, for whatever reason, like I feel like the input lag has been bad on Linux, and I can't really explain why. I think there is an issue with Nvidia driver, reflex. Like something is wrong. So yeah. Maybe try Wayland. Even with Wayland, I actually think there is just something wrong, dude. So I don't know which part of the stack there is an issue, if it's related to the driver or something else, but I agree with you. Something is happening. And I don't have a solution for you guys. I have zero solution. Do we make Windows? Okay, so how do I remove this? Oh, destroy mode. Okay, construction seems pretty straightforward, chat. So I'm gonna do my little hut, if you agree with it. My own style, because I like to have light in the place I live. Okay. We need a door. Door will be here. Roof. Damn. I think we have a problem, no? Damn, no, not enough resource, dude. Oh, nice! Look at this! Is rolling the driver back effective to get input lag down? That's actually a good approach of doing that. We could try that. We could do a full stream trying to debug it. I think it's related to Wayland. I don't think it's related to the driver. So I can confirm it at 100%. But my guess is something Wayland. Okay, hope it's enough. Should be enough, chat. Oh no. We need stairs. I think I've seen a way of doing stairs, dude. Maybe this one, no? Yes. Haha! Look at this, dude. My place is gonna be the best place ever. Hmm. Oh, this is how you lock it, chat. Okay, so we learned something else. Let's do the roof. Mm-hmm. I'm not sure about this. Man, I don't know what I'm doing, chat. Oh, so that would be the way. I need more. Island's gonna be a desert? Yeah, exactly. Well, need a lot of resource, huh, chat? Didn't expect to need that much, but... we need someone to do that. Seems like a lot of work. X11? Yeah, I think we should try X11. Maybe it would be more representative of, you know, if there is a problem or not. Thing is, like, when you switch to Wayland, it's just hard to go back to X11, right? Oh man, no, 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 no! Duh. Those guys are aggressive, huh? So I don't want to fight them yet, because I need to upgrade my clothes and everything else. Where's my hut? There. I also think it's 99% likely due to Wayland, not the driver. Yeah. So something I noticed too is, like, with the 9070 XT, I never like had issue related to input lag versus Nvidia. Yay! Okay, so can I destroy this one? So now we have the whole house. It's working, dude! Oh, the glove. Okay, now I understand. So you... You need to craft that. So I guess I still have to kill some of them, dude. So let's make 10. Man, I like my style, huh, chat? I really like the style of my stuff. So, I guess I'm gonna go with the top. And I made a mistake. That was not a good move. I should have started with the rest. Because he was 2, dude. Oh, man, I'm so bad. But at least we look good. But that was not a smart move. Oh, I see something shining over there. Okay, let's find some boar. Have you compared the input lag with AMD GPU on Linux and Windows? No, I did not do that. I did compare. But again, it's just my feeling, right? AMD versus... So AMD versus Nvidia, yes, on Linux. And I can guarantee you, like, it feels better on AMD for the input lag. So it's not really bad on Linux with Nvidia, but it's not at the level of Windows, unfortunately. And the funny part is, like, it was at the level of Windows like 3 or 4 years ago when I was running like X11 with a custom Proton version and everything and playing Apex Legends. It was better. But now somehow he fell down. So the only thing I see is like the driver or Wayland. But my bet will be on Wayland. Man, what are those boars? Like it's just... There is doo-doo everywhere. Oh, I heard something. Oh, it's just a doo-doo, like... Ah! Well, why you sound like a boar? Oh, yes, it's here. Are they fighting each other? Oh, no. Let me be, dude. Come on, I don't want to fight you. I don't have time for that. This is the one I want. The big boar. Missed? Damn. Oh, and I got some fat this time. Nice. So, what do I have to eat? Yes. Oh, I didn't even put it on me. Oh, man, I'm so bad, chat. Really need to step up my game in this game, chat. Maybe it's VR? Nah. Telling you, it's something related with Wayland. Need to see like the patch related to Kwin, if there is something odd or something that does not activate with the driver. And I don't know, lately it has been even worse than before, for whatever reason. And the thing is, like, you could be like, hey, you should dig into that and whatever, try to figure it out. Oh, level 3 boar, can we try him? Yes. Oh, he's huge, dude. Oh no, that's my mistake. Can't do that. So I'm trying to play with the stamina here. You always need to keep some stamina, chat. If you overcommit, you die. Exactly. I died. I overcommit, dude. I hope there is no shark. Oh no! Oh no! Ponzoon. I test the game. I will test the game as to with Nvidia on Hyperland with Zen kernel. I usually have no input lag at all. So it could be something related with Kwin, right, KG? Could be also sensitivity to input lag. Like we don't have all the same sensitivity regarding input lag. Okay. Where is he? So last time... Oh, where is my stuff? Oh, it's here. Did he die? Man! Oh no, I didn't die, he's here. Nice. Okay, got him, dude. Clay. Oh. There is a point of interest over there. Oh, you are very sensitive to input lag? Okay, so... Yeah, maybe it's a Kwin stuff. Or maybe it's hardware related. What graphic card do you have? Oh, look, there is something over there. Oh! And we don't have space. Whoa! Okay, we need to come back here, like, fast. How far are we? And we're so far from the base. RTX 4080. It could be a Blackwell stuff. Like, I noticed a lot. I had a lot more issue with the 5090 compared to my 4090, dude. Like, for example, like some of the games, they will just launch normally with the 4090, but with the 5090, it would just not work. Oh, two of them. Perfect. Maybe not so perfect, huh? Okay, one down. Okay, let him attack, maybe? Okay. Where's the other one? Damn, where is he? Okay, so this is also another little problem, my opinion. the heck is it? Like the loot should be more readable, right? Or maybe I'm too old or something, but... You get the idea, right, chat? Gonna have to craft some chest. Hope it will be fixed for those affected anyway. Sucks with input lag. Yeah, it just sucks, man. Because I'd rather have like 20% less performance than input lag, chat. Like input lag is just horrible, chat. Like it's just... Yeah. Because FPS at the end is, you know... If you have a good experience, it's fine. You know. You don't need 500 FPS all the time, that's what I'm trying to explain. Chest, yes. 28 slots. 28 slots. Okay, so those. I'm gonna build them here. I don't think anybody is gonna steal me, but... Storage is inside, right, chat? Not enough resource. Okay, we need nails. This... I need nothing. Okay. Oh, we are good, dude. So... Animal fat, okay. Oh, this I keep, I guess. Just in case I want to craft. Guess we're gonna go with the pants. Okay. What I'm gonna do with those old stuff? Wondering if I can recycle them or something, no? Oh, you can upgrade the one you just did, okay. Let me check something, chat. Can't, okay. Can craft a machine to break down item? Oh, okay. J-Magic, what's up? I'm giving up a few FPS for freedom of not having Microsoft returning to lock my account. Oh, yeah, this... I'm just talking about game in general, right? The FPS... You know, it sucks not to have FPS, okay? But... I think the input lag is really the issue, in my opinion, right? Okay, so this is a machine. I need clay, dude. And we need copper too, so we are not there yet. Yeah, we are not there. Okay, let's continue to... The water look amazing. Yeah, like this game look good, dude. It didn't crash. Like I've no complaint, chat. Why do I get much lower FPS in CS2 compared to Windows? Do you have a... There is two solutions to that. You maybe not be running the game on the Nvidia GPU, or you might have a GPU which does not support Vulkan very well. So all the Pascal CPU, GPU, sorry, they don't work well with Vulkan compared to Windows. But they don't work well with Vulkan anyways. Okay, let's break this. I think there is nail sometime in those. We need the nails. Yeah, I see. Got them. My FPS on Linux are higher than the one on Windows when I run CS2. Right, but after it's hardware dependent, right? It's like Linux is so hot sometimes. Depending on the brand of your hardware and some other like weird variable. You're gonna have totally different results. Which sucks, but it is what it is, right? Got him. I wish Nvidia driver were as good as AMD. We're gonna get there, man. It's actually... I don't know how long you have been into Linux, but... It has been amazing how the Nvidia driver have been like evolving. Soon you're gonna get the NVK driver. Oh, I need the gun, dude. Discovery the fast travel barrel. What is this? Use it to fast travel point. Crafted at workbench. Oh, cool. How does this work? Man, the map look huge, dude. So that's gonna be one of those games we're gonna put, like, you're gonna sink so much time in it. It's gonna be quite disgusting, dude. Which is, this is what we want, right? Okay, I feel like I need to take care of that. We need those nails. They made major improvement already, good thing this time, yeah. So, you know, I was saying earlier on the stream that I'm super frustrated because I can tell we are going and itching the right direction, but we are not there yet, and because we know we are so like near the end game, right? It makes you even more like, you know, impatient. But I think the key is just to wait, dude. Like, help as much as you can the dev, if you can do it, right? Me, I know, like, I'm not a dev, but I'm always trying to give some feedback and... Oh! Okay. Oh no. Didn't play well there, chat. I'll have to upgrade everything. Yeah, that's how I feel as well. Like, there is this tiny thing that make it... that is a make or break. Yeah, exactly. So... and because we know we're almost there, right? Like, we know it's advancing. Like, we have the Heap patch, we have everything. And we all know it's gonna take some time, unfortunately. But the reality is that we have to wait and be patient. It's like, what are we gonna do? Are we going back to Windows? I don't think so, dude. But I'm not. Oh, so you get some stuff, huh? Among the wreck raids on the shore, I found a pirate skeleton and a lot laying nearby. Mentioned a buried chest of gold. Find the pirate chest. Okay. New building element available. Fast travel. Building element available. Oh, so you build that and I guess you go back there. Okay. So this is for the night, this is for the food. Okay. Sweet. Let's see what's going on over there. Whoa. Are we attacking? Man. Man. Oh no. Oh, got it. Okay. So you need two of them. Yeah. So here it's supposed to have what is it? Am I blind, chat? supposed to be in front of me. Yeah, I think it's bugged. And we don't have food. Perfect. Okay, well. We'll have some walking, I guess. Very excited. I'm just waiting for the moment when games start working properly and some enthusiasts port Adobe Premiere and After Effects. So they work properly and then I will delete Windows. I think there is already someone who did that, dude. For Adobe. You can run the Adobe suite on Linux now. There is a GitHub page for it. And this Dodo like destroyed me. Is it an online game? Yes. I'm playing solo right now, but it is an online game. Still early access, but oh no. Oh, I see, okay. Let me be like... Okay, I got all my stuff back. Yes! We got this, chat. That parrot look a little bit like me? I tried, but I'm not sure I succeed. Oh, so it's buried. Oh, look. There's a dead body here. There's a lot of dead body here. Oh. How do we dig? It's here, chat. It has to be. Buried, dude. Maybe I need a pickaxe. Maybe I need a pickaxe, chat. Damn. Okay, let's go back, I guess. Okay, this is annoying because I could have made my camp here, but I wanted to go on this island, which is literally the worst place to do it. I should have put my camp more here. I'm hungry? Oh yeah, you're right. Okay, let's give him some food. I'm gonna have to go cook some food. What is this? Oh. Man, is it all an island, this place? Feels like I'm on a small island, right? Oh, there is a cave here. Oh. Nice. I think I'm on a small island, chat. Look at this. Look at the map. Okay, let's see what's happening up there. So I tried the exit, but the plugin and program in general are unstable and dynamic link doesn't work. So it's like you can install them, but then when you come to using them, it's not good, right? So another ruins here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we're on an island, chat. So somehow we're gonna have to build a boat or something. Oh, I can see my hut over there, look! Yeah, and there is some spike. Some lag spike from time to time. It's not the stream, it's a game. Okay, so... Bandage. Oh, I need that, chat. And the stone bullet. Yes! So I just need stone. Darn. Okay, now I'm learning, dude. Now we got bullet. Okay, I start to understand a little bit, chat. So we got some food here. So boots. Oh no. Both. What are my bandages? I missed something or what? I didn't take them, no? Ah, that's why. That's why. Okay, so now we have bandages. Okay, here we go, chat. So one thing I'm gonna do though. Okay, I need some stone. Oh, he take my chest in consideration, I think. So let's see. Oh yeah, it does. I don't need to have them on me. Nice. So now I have the pickaxe strat. So let me double check again about this. This freaking grave. What is it? So it just bugged out, chat. Yeah, it's just totally bugged out. So how do we use this shovel? Stone pickaxe. Yeah, I can dig with it. What is it? Is that a shotgun? Like. Okay, chat. I think we covered everything on this game. Is this 4K max graphic with DLSS? Yes, and without frame gen. On Linux. It is working pretty well. We're gonna try the illumination stuff again. See on ProtonDB, because I think it was you, Zax, right? Who mentioned like there is a way to activate the whatever option. I like this game, chat. It seems like it's a type of game where you can, where you could, like burn a lot of time. So let me check that real quick. Someone like find a way to do some things there. Now you see. So those guys, they didn't figure it out as we did yet. So there is this option. And what was the... Oh yeah, this one. Alors, Proton Heap, yes. Enable Wayland, okay, why not? Enable NJX Updater. Yeah, I'm not sure about that. I don't remember what this thing does exactly. Let me check. Oh, it's just DLSS swapper, I guess. Nvidia ray tracing implementation is pretty much on par with Windows. That is to say, we supported hardware and the corrected. I think this is on by default, chat. I don't think it's gonna... Oh, no NJX updater? What? Where did you get this? Where did you get this no enable like? Yeah, now I think it's blocked. I think this is blocked. So we just have to do with the change of the option, which is fine. So we're looking at Pragmata, right? $7 GB, so it should be fine. Let's install it real quick. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna change anything. I believe this variable is already on by default. So we could try and change it, but I'm pretty sure it's not going to work. We can try for science. So right now we have this. I didn't even activate Wayland. Okay, let's start with that and see. So obviously the game is gonna launch, right? It's gonna be more towards the settings when we touch. Where is it? Yeah, this one here. So we'll go Epic. And we're gonna relaunch the game because I think when you switch it in game, it's fine. But if you relaunch it, somehow it breaks. I'm wondering if this is a real car, like the real map. Because it looks like we are just in the small island in the middle. Okay, this seems to work. Okay, let's see now when we launch the game if it's actually like doing something. Okay, and then we're gonna stop the stream chat. Okay. Oh, it does nothing, chat. It just doesn't like this option. End of story. Like. So if I put 0, I can try, but it doesn't like global illumination. End of story, chat. Yeah, so this option has no impact at all. just gonna update it. I'm gonna show you what to do. So reload, and you change that to 1. Yeah, it was worth. Yeah, of course. But at least we know now, right? Have global elimination on Epic with no launch option. Works fine here. Yeah, well, with the Black World, you can't. You just can't do it. This was my whole point from before. Like there is some type of issue with Blackwell and Linux right now. Because with the 4090, like I encounter like less issues than I had with the 4090, with the 5090. Yep. Oh well. Let's try that. And also think there is not a lot of report from 5090 user because most of them are just on Windows, dude. I still wonder, you say it doesn't feel responsive. I don't use any scheduler, like CPU scheduler. I do believe there is something wrong, dude. Like, if you have a Windows installation, just launch it, launch the latest game, like the game which are like, you know, on UE5, like this game, or launch even a game which is not on UE5, like Crimson Desert, and you're gonna feel it right away. Something is wrong. Something is really wrong with the latency. I don't think any scheduler can fix that. Is this a purely single player game? No, it's not. Man, Pragmata, like the game doesn't even launch. Like, whoa. Okay. I'm gonna remove the Heap stuff. And see. Okay, yeah, it doesn't like Heap. Okay, this one is different. This one doesn't like Heap. So my point is like, I agree with you. It might help a little bit, but it's not fixing the whole stuff. Yeah, you know what I mean? So, like, kernel do help a lot with input lag, but there is something else. Right? Yeah, there is definitely something else going on. I know for sure, for a fact, that reflex is disabled with Wayland. So within Wayland, reflex is blocked. So if you use any type of Proton which lets you enable like full Wayland support, you won't have reflex. It's gonna be blocked. So that's the first thing. But I'm pretty sure there is something else on top of it. Like we're gonna discover soon that, for example, like vSync was kind of like alpha enabled. Like there is something odd. Like I can tell you, chat. Just go and install Windows if you don't have it, and relaunch the game on Windows and do like some type of like A and B testing. Right? You go to a place, you move your mouse, you have a feel for the game, you switch back to Linux, and you're gonna be like, whoa, like something is odd. And I think because we have been using Linux for so long, we tend to forget how responsive it can be on Windows. Okay, is it blocked again? Just for science. Again, like if you have it, just try it. Yeah, exactly. You see, so you can't really compare. If you only have it on Windows VM, or maybe if you can do a pass through, I don't know your setup, but I guarantee you did. And what kind of like struck me is like I have a 9070 XT, and it was like I don't know 6 months ago or something like that. I did some tests with a 9070 XT, and when I reinstalled CachyOS and I run some game, I was like, whoa. It felt better on the 9070 XT, even if I had less FPS. So I was like, whoa. Maybe it's me. And then when I put back the card, like the at the time it was 4090. I could tell, dude. So something is wrong. Yeah, that's why I don't understand why so many people say they don't have input lag on Nvidia. Maybe they just haven't played on Windows for a while. Maybe it's so there is multiple variable, right? So maybe they are not using Wayland, which could be a reason why. Maybe they are not using KD. Maybe they can't tell, which is fine too. Right? Adjust until the image in the middle of the screen. Until the image of the screen disappear. Yeah, I can still see it. Okay, yeah, sure. Enter your age. Heck. Sure. I disagree, dude. Man, like the back is... Resync off, please. Okay. Okay, so this is good. Just as it doesn't want me to have ray tracing somehow. Okay, the back is not flickering anymore. Hallelujah. So I don't know, dude. Like, one of the comment was like, "Oh, it works so well," and I'm like, "Whoa, I can't activate ray tracing." Or maybe it's because of the demo. I don't know. Yeah, so maybe, yeah.
Hey, Diana! A little help here? Look out! What are you doing? Diana! Damn! Helpful, brother. Hey! You gonna help?
1 second.
So it's odd we are locked at 173 FPS.
Diana! I need your hack in here!
So I move the cursor. The heck?
Shoot now!
On it! Nope!
Oh, it's a weird gameplay, dude. At least with the mouse.
More of them? Then hurry! Just want to blast him.
Watch out! There's more!
That's a weird gameplay, chat.
Hacking!
Glad that's over with.
Me too.
So what were you working on there?
That's a secret. I'll tell you later.
First, we get the power on. Let's move. Don't look now, but we got company.
You really sure you work here?
What? This is my fault? Huh. Good work. It's over.
Yeah. Okay, so I guess it's working here. It's with every single enemy. Get tedious, I think. Yeah. I don't know, dude. I don't know. I definitely need to play the game more, but... It seems interesting for sure. Okay, I'm gonna exit. Guys, that's it, that's all for today. I've been live for 3 hours and a half. Okay, so Windrose is a win. This game seems to run too, so it's pretty good. And it seems to run better than Windrose somehow. Yeah, it's promising, chat. It's pretty promising. Apparently disabling subsurface scattering fix the graphics. Got it. I'm out, chat. I'm out for today. I need to go. I will be back next Friday. I don't think I'm gonna push a video this week. It depends, but I don't think it's gonna happen. I'm getting better at, you know, managing things on my hand, and hopefully soon I'm gonna push new stuff. I think because of the donation of FaZe, I'm gonna get like Mars PI for hire, and we might try this game next week. That's gonna be the one, chat. I hope you had fun. Yeah, that's it. That's all. Okay. So guys, have a good rest of your day. Thank you very much for all the support. Thanks for watching. Salience, what's up? So sorry, I have to leave now. You just say hi in chat. We will be back on Friday for sure. All right, and if I can, I push a video. If not, Friday. Guys, thanks a lot for watching. Thanks for everything. And as always, see you in the next one. Bisous, bisous.